Good morning. Here are bilingual notes in English and Hindi on Sonnet 1 from Astrophil and Stella by Sir Philip Sidney, titled Loving in Truth and Fain in Verse My Love to Show. These are tailored for screening exam test assistant professor preparation. Philip Sidney's Sonnet 1 Notes for Screening Exam. Sonnet 1 Loving in Truth and Fain in Verse My Love to Show by Sir Philip Sidney. It is taken from Astrophil and Stella, written in 1580s. English summary. First of all, we discuss about the theme of Sonnet 1. Theme is this sonnet explores the poet's desire to express his love truthfully through poetry to win the lady's affection. And its tone is reflective, frustrated, and passionate. Structure of this sonnet 1 is Petrarchan sonnet, that is Italian form, 14 lines, iambic pentameter. Now we discuss the content of sonnet 1 by Philip Sidney. In this, the poet wants to show his love truthfully through verse. He struggles with finding the right words. He reads other poets for inspiration but finds no help. His muse finally advises him, look in thy heart and write. Message. True poetic expression comes from heartfelt emotion, not borrowed rhetoric. Now this sonnet 1 in Hindi. यह सोनेट प्रेम की सच्चाई से अभिव्यक्त करने की कवि की कोशिश को दर्शाता है। इसमें भाव है चिंतनशील, हताश या प्रेममय। इसकी रचना पेट्रार्कल सोनेट शैली में लिखी गई है, जो 14 लाइनों में है, आयम्बिक पेंटामीटर में लिखी गई है और इसकी डिटेल इस तरह से है। कवि अपनी प्रेमिका के प्रति सच्चे प्रेम को कविता में व्यक्त करना चाहता है। वह सही शब्दों की तलाश में है लेकिन असफल रहता है। वह अन्य कवियों की रचनाएं पढ़ता है पर कोई प्रेरणा नहीं मिलती। अंत में उसकी आत्मा यानी म्यूज कहती है, अपने हृदय में झांको और लिखो। और इसमें संदेश ये मिलता है कि सच्ची कविताएं दिल से निकलती हैं, ना कि उधार लिए हुए विचारों से। अब इसमें इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइंस जो पेपर में आ सकती हैं। Loving in truth and fain in verse, my love to show. These are the opening lines that shows Sidney's poetic intention. Next line is, look in thy heart and write. This is the key message from the muse. Few tips for exam. Remember, it's a sonnet 1 from Astrophil and Stella, first in the sequence of 108 sonnets. Know its Petrarchal form. Octave. In octave, Sidney tells about the problem, and in sextet, he tells about the solution of the problem. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next video with Sonnet 2 by Philip Sidney.